How to leave blank comment on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to leave blank comments on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and make sure to click on that update button if it is available. So once you have done updating your TikTok app, what you're going to do is to also open a web browser. So you may use any web browser such as Safari, Chrome, or any web browser that you want. So go ahead on that web browser, go to Google, and search for Zero Joiner right here. I mean, you may search for Zero with Joiner. So click on the very first link that will appear, which is emojipedia.org. So click on it, and then you may accept all cookies right here. Scroll down until you can see the copy button right here. So click on copy, and it will say it has been copied. So now proceed to the TikTok video that you want to comment, the blank comment, then click on comment, paste that um, text or the thing that we have copied. So paste it, and then simply click on send or post right here. So as you can see right here, I have posted or pasted a comment right here that is blank. So that's it. That's how you can leave a blank comment on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.